Hey guys, here we are in Chalfont, PA, and you know what? I don't always work on a Sunday in the middle of December in 50-degree weather, which is quite windy today, unless I'm at Maloneyville. That's what Kevin named his bar. But if you guys saw, this is the one that's been in the shop, the one with the granite top, and the roof was here. So all we had to do, we had 10 guys come over, 10 or 12 guys to help lift the roof back onto this. This is a total new rebuild. We got rid of the old one, saved the roof, saved the granite, and did the two-part pour on epoxy, Maloneyville. And there's the granite for where the Beermeister sits under there. So that's already cut. So we were able to reuse that as well. So this project is finally done, and it's supposed to get warm this week in the mid-50s. However, it's supposed to rain all week, and we got to finish that one in Hatboro, which you guys saw my video the other day. So we'll see what happens there. Try and get that one knocked out real soon. So all right, so this one's done. This is a 4x8, and like I said, we reused the granite. You saw the other one at the shop. It was pretty old. I made it 23 or 24 years ago, and that was time for a new one. All right, so from Chalfont, PA, Tiki Kev out.